So in this video, one of the reasons a laptop motherboard cannot power on is demonstrated, and it's due to a short circuit in its main voltage line. Here, you can see the shorted main voltage line indicated on the multimeter. One of the causes of this short circuit is a problem with the components bridging the main voltage line to the line leading to the chipset. Actually, what we consider a short here is resistance or impedance present in the voltage line going to the chipset. We know that the resistance in this line is extremely low, almost resembling a short circuit. It's so low that even a multimeter equipped with a beeping sound for shorted connections will produce a beep. However, in reality, it's not a short. It's just extremely low resistance. Now, back to the components bridging the main voltage line with the line heading to the chipset. Here, we have two MOSFETs. It's likely that one of these two MOSFETs is damaged, causing a short circuit between the main voltage line and the line going to the chipset. So, after removing the MOSFETs, we will check their resistances. The resistance on the line going to the chipset remains the same, and the resistance on the main voltage line is no longer excessively low. Next, we will identify which of the removed MOSFETs is shorted. And now, we have found the damaged MOSFET, indicated by a short circuit between the S and D pins. Finally, we need to replace the faulty MOSFET with a normal one that has the same specifications. This is one of the reasons for a shorted main voltage line on a laptop motherboard. Other causes can vary from minor to more complex issues that require a more intricate analysis process.